Hello and welcome to Python Programming Complete course. This is part 8, Dictionary in Python. The topics that we will discuss in this video are what are dictionaries, how to create a dictionary, accessing elements of a dictionary, traversing through the elements of a dictionary, adding, updating, deleting elements, and various dictionary functions and methods. Python dictionary is an unordered collection of items. Each item of a dictionary has a key value pair and each key maps to a value. For example, we have a dictionary, we have a variable employee which is of a dictionary type. It has some data. Each key is separated from the value by a colon, and the items, each key value pair, that is each item, they are separated from each other using a comma and enclosed within curly braces. So we have a key value pair name and the value is Saksham. The other separated by a comma, we have the other key value pair age, which is of 30, and so on. And the entire thing, the entire dictionary, it is enclosed within curly braces. The keys are case sensitive and unique. We cannot have duplicate keys, and it must be a single element which can be of any immutable data type like string or numbers, whereas the values can be of any data type and can be repeated. It can be a duplicate data. The dictionary is mutable, that is, we can add, update, delete, modify values to a dictionary. Executing this program, which has a dictionary employee, will print the result for me. We can see the employee data, name as a key and the value, age as a key and a value. It is separated by commas, and the key value pair being separated by a colon. To create a dictionary, either a variable can be used and assign value to it. It will create a dictionary. We can create an empty dictionary using only the curly braces. The dictionary, the dict or the dictionary constructor can be used to create an empty dictionary, and we can also use the constructor and assign the elements in the constructor itself. The first one is the employee. The data is being provided. Week is a dictionary, an empty dictionary. Printing the data will show us an empty dictionary. Using the dict constructor or the dict function, days is created as a dictionary. It will be empty. And the month variable, it's a dictionary. Using the dict function or the constructor, we are assigning the value. Let us execute this program and see the answer. The output of the program can be seen. Weeks and days, they are an empty dictionary, whereas employee data and month data are printed in the form of a dictionary data. To access the elements of the dictionary or the data of the dictionary, key can be used. In this variable month, which is of a dictionary type, 1, 2, 3 and 4, they are the keys. So in the print statement, we are trying to access from the dictionary month, we are trying to access the key 1. So January will be printed. If we provide the key 3, so March will be printed. Another dictionary employee, we can, if we have string type of key, then too it can be provided together with the name of the dictionary within square brackets, and it will print the data. If we are trying to access a key which is not in the dictionary, it will result in an error. Like for example, we do not have a key 5, and if we execute this program, then we will get an error that this key is not present. Let me uncomment it and run or execute the program to show you the results. The output of the program can be seen. Key number 1, it is providing me the answer January. Key number 3, it is printing March. And in the employee dictionary name, the key name has an associated value of Saksham as the key value pair. Traversing a dictionary to access each and every element and to print it can be done using the for loop. In this program, we have a dictionary month and we are accessing each and every key using the variable I, and then printing the output using the I variable. Now, in operator in for loop, it iterates through each key of a dictionary. It will first pick up key number 1, then 2, then 3 and 4, and it using the for loop it will print the result for us. The output of the program can be seen key and value. First it is 1, the first key, second, third, fourth and so on. Whatever data we have in the dictionary, it will be printed sequentially. Dictionary is a mutable data type. We can add new elements to the existing dictionary or update the existing values using the update method by using the specific key. For example, we have the employee dictionary where there are name, age, band and department as the key. We add in a new key. We provide the name of the dictionary and the new key address and then assign the data to it. The output could be seen. We have added a new key address with the value XYZ street. We can also update the existing value using the key which is already present in my dictionary. Like for example, we have a key value pair age and the value is 30. So if we assign a new value to the age key, it will be updated in the dictionary. The output of this program can be seen. We have provided age with a new value and it is updated. This print statement, it is showing me the updated data. Two dictionaries can be merged using update method. It merges the key and values of one dictionary into another and overwrites the value of the same key. It also overwrites. So for example, we have two dictionaries, month with some values, key value pair, and month 1 with some key value pairs, and we update month with the data of month 1. So the values of month 1 will be added to the month dictionary. Printing the result will show us the combined data of both these two dictionaries. You can see the combined data. If we are trying to override the values, that can be done using the update method. If I uncomment this and execute it, we have two dictionaries, TV model and smart TV, and we are trying to update TV model with smart TV, where this key 1056 in TV model we have the value as Apple, and in 1056 in smart TV we are assigning it a value of Sony. And if we use the update method, it will overwrite the data. The output could be seen 1056 instead of Apple, I am getting the data as Sony. So using the update method, either we can merge two dictionaries or we can also override the values of one dictionary on the other. To delete dictionary elements, we can use the del function or del method and the pop method. To remove a single element, we use the del method and the pop method. For example, we have a dictionary TV model and we are trying to delete the 1056, this key value pair. So we have to provide the key as in to my del method, that this is what we are trying to remove. The pop method also deletes key and value pair and returns the deleted item. So if we write TV model.pop 1089, it will be removed from my dictionary. To delete the entire dictionary, we use the clear method, which will remove everything and show us an empty dictionary. The output could be seen printing the TV model dictionary 1056 has been removed. Pop is removing this key value pair and the deleted item is VU. And whereas using the clear method, the entire data of the dictionary is being removed and we got an empty dictionary. There are several built-in dictionary functions and method which can be used to find the length of a dictionary, or to get some key and values from the dictionary, or to access some items from the dictionary. The first one is the length function, which gives the total number or the total number of elements, or the total length of a dictionary. So we can use the length function and provide the dictionary as an argument. The second one is the get function. It returns the value for the given key. For example, we are passing 3 month dictionary we have, and we are passing 3. So if the key is present, it will show me the value for the given key, and if the key is not in the dictionary, then it returns the default value none. Now the get function, it takes 2 arguments. If we are not providing the second argument, it is optional, then it will print none if it does not find the key. We can also give our customized message, like for example in this one I am passing not present. The length of the dictionary is 4 in the first one. Using the get method and passing 3 as the key, I got March. 7 is not present in the dictionary, so it is printing none. Whereas if we give a customized message, then it is telling me not present. The items method, it returns the content of a dictionary as a list of tuples having key value pairs. We can use the print function to print the dictionary which is printed as a dictionary, but if we want the result to be printed as a list, then we use the items method. Whereas if we are using the key method, it returns a list of only the key values from the dictionary. Only the keys will be returned. If we use the values method, it will return a list of all the values which are present in the dictionary. The output could be seen. The first one, TV models, it is a list, as there is a square bracket, and inside the square bracket all the key value pairs, they are in the form of tuples. The keys method, it is returning only the keys 1013, 1034 and so on. Whereas the value method, it's returning only the value. So these methods, items, keys, value, they are useful in situation where we are writing a program and we want only either the keys or the values. In the next video, we will discuss user defined function. Hope you found the information shared in this video useful. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.